Piping systems are logical entities that facilitate calculations for flow and sizing of piping. Once you create a piping system, you can split the system. There are multiple scenarios for which you may want to split a piping system. For example, you may have created a piping system for all of the roof drains and want to split each drain into an individual system. Let's look at a simple example. I'll zoom into the south portion of Level 1 and select a plumbing fixture in the restroom group. When I do, two contextual ribbons appear: Modify Plumbing Fixtures and Piping Systems. On the Piping Systems contextual ribbon, in the System Tools panel, pay attention to the Divide System tool. This tool is only available when multiple target connectors have been added to the system. Target connectors are connectors that water is being supplied to, in this case, the plumbing fixtures. When I click Divide System, Revit displays a Divide System dialog that shows the number of separate physical networks that will become individual systems in the overall piping system, in this case, 12. Realize that there are 11 target connectors and one source connector in this system. The source connector is a pipe connector representing the city domestic water supply into the building. So a separate system for the pipe connector will be created as well. Be aware that the source connector should not be the target connector in an individual system. You can fix this after dividing the system though. If this is not what you want to do, you can click Cancel. I'll click OK to divide the system. In order to see each system in the project, you can look in the System browser. To open the System browser, switch to the View ribbon. In the Windows panel, expand the User Interface drop-down and select the checkbox next to System Browser. This opens the System browser, which is organized in a tree structure. Currently, the view is set to Systems and All Disciplines. However, you can change this to Zones or filter the view by a discipline. Here, you can see the additional systems that were created by splitting the original piping system. They have the name of the original system with a number appended to the end in parentheses. At this point, you could edit the individual systems. When you select an element that is part of a piping system, the Piping Systems contextual ribbon displays. Here, you can select Edit System. If you add a plumbing fixture that was split into an individual system to one of the other individual systems, a warning will appear stating that the plumbing fixture will be removed from the original system and added to the one you are editing. And since the original system only consisted of one plumbing fixture, it will be deleted. Additionally, when you choose Select Equipment and then select the pipe connector that is supplying the system, the individual system that was created for the pipe connector will be deleted. So as you can see, there are numerous options for editing piping systems and dividing larger systems into smaller systems.